How to recover permanently deleted Yahoo emails. So if you want to recover permanently deleted Yahoo emails, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you've logged into your account on your Yahoo, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you're on your Yahoo, go with sign in, log into your account and go with mail. Once you click on mail, it will take you to the mail section, which is like this. Now here on the top right, you will have the profile icon. You need to click on your profile, and then you will have an option of manage your account. You need to click on it, or you also have an option of help. So you need to just go with help section right here, and it will take you to the Yahoo's customer support section, specifically designed to assist you with account related problems. Next, what you want to do is locate and click on the go button, or just simply click on help and it will take you to the help center. Now here you need to find an option which says recover lost or deleted emails. Or if you don't find it, you can also just go and search for it. Once you've searched, you will have recover lost or deleted emails. You need to click on it. This feature provides a pathway to retrieve emails you might think are gone for good. After selecting this option, you'll see an option for send a restore request, which is right here. By clicking on this, you are taking the first step towards informing Yahoo of your need to retrieve those lost emails. A form should open up, prompting you to provide some details about the situation. Now, within the form, you'll get this kind of interface. You will have a drop-down labeled describe the problem. So you need to go with accidentally deleted messages on mobile device or webmail. You can go and select any one of these. And when did you last see the missing messages? So in my case, I'll just simply go with 4 to 8 hours and then your Yahoo ID and your email address and click on I'm not a robot and then verify the captcha. Go with verify, which will be on the bottom, and then go with create request. But make sure that you've entered your correct Yahoo ID and provided in the provided field. By doing this, you've officially notified Yahoo to start working on recovering your deleted emails. After this, it's just a matter of waiting for the team to get back to you, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to recover permanently deleted Yahoo emails. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.